It's 2 Minute Tuesday, and today it's how to change a background in a photograph to another background using Photoshop. Back in a few seconds. What's up YouTube, and welcome to the channel. If you haven't stopped by here before, please hit on the subscribe button and click on the bell icon to be notified of new videos as I post them. So guys, today I'm going to show you how to change the sky in a photograph from a better sky from another photograph using Photoshop and using the quick mask tool. It's really effective and super simple. So first of all, I'm going to open up this picture in Photoshop. This picture has got a dog in it with a pretty miserable sky, so we're going to change that sky. So first of all, I'm going to click on select, and then I'm going to click on select and mask. Next up, I'm going to click on this quick select tool, and then I'm going to go over all the bits of the picture that I want to keep. Once I've done that, I'm going to select the refine tool and just go over these little bits of branch and tree that I want to keep in the picture. You can do this with anything that's fine. It could be hair in a portrait, in a picture of somebody, anything really that's fine. So anyway, there we go. Kind of got all those done now. A bit over here, and that's pretty much about it, I'd say. There we go. Now we're going to head over to the right here, and we're going to click on view, and we're going to change it to overlay. And now you can see with the overlay there's bits here that I've missed, so I'm going to stick with this refine tool, and I'm just going to go over these bits that I've So that is pretty much it. Now we're going to click on enter, and we've cut away all of that stuff that we've just masked out. So next up, what we're going to do is find our other picture. So we're going to drag this picture onto the page. We're going to move it below the first layer. Now you can see we've already changed our sky, so we're going to make that a little bit more sunny, and that is it. We've changed the sky, we've changed the background in 2 minutes. There you go. So guys, that was my 2 Minute Tuesday on how to change the sky from one photo from another. So as I said, super simple, very effective using the mask tool in Photoshop. If you have any questions, please post them in the comments section below, and please don't forget to hit on that subscribe button and the bell icon so you can be notified of new videos as I post them. Next Tuesday there'll be another 2 Minute Tuesday, but for now, thanks for watching guys. I'm Dave with Seeing Through a Lens, and I'll see you the next time.